Friends, recently in UAE, there has been a news that if you are a content creator or if you are an influencer, you need to have a license. So, but there is one important thing. If you are trying to apply for the license of a content creator, which is basically the advertiser permit, one important thing you need is PCC, Police Clearance Certificate. So today in this video, I'm going to apply for my police clearance certificate as because I'm also going to apply for this advertiser permit, or you can say content creator license. Okay, so in order to apply for police clearance certificate, we will use the application called MOI, Ministry of Interior. Okay, so this is the application. It looks like this. We will just open it and you can just log in with your UAE pass. If you haven't created your UAE pass, I have made a detailed video on that. You can just check in the I button and create your own UAE pass and successfully log in this application. After we come to this application, we will just search for services, and the services here will just look for a police clearance certificate. Okay, we'll just check out where is the police clearance certificate, or we'll just search here police clearance. Okay, it looks like this. Issuance of criminal clearance certificate. Okay, I was applying previously. I'll just delete that, and in front of you I will apply again. Okay, so we'll just click here. We'll just search again police clearance. Okay, we'll click on add new. All the details are here. Okay, so purpose we'll just do inside. Select Emirate, we'll use Dubai. Okay, Dubai is not available, we'll use Abu Dhabi, no problem. And then reason, permit or license, because we are going to apply for permit. Organization, we'll just give our company's name, Transcut Group LL, and then email. Yes, we are going to receive this advertiser permit in our email. So we have provided all the details here, and then we'll just click on save and next. In this video, I'm showing step by step how to apply for our criminal clearance certificate, which is PCC, or you can say police clearance certificate, and this will be required in order to apply for our advertiser permit, or you can say content creator or influencer license. Okay, and the amount for this is 50 AED. I have my card here and I will pay using my card. So I'll just click on pay now. And this is the gateway of making the payment. The cost is 50 AED. Okay, I'll just put all the details here. And I have entered all the details here, and the next I will just do is click on pay now. I think we'll just verify with our OTP. Yes, we just need to enter our mobile number here again. After entering the mobile number, we'll just click on continue. Okay, we need to open our C3P card to review and approve. So we'll just open our C3P. This is called 3DS authentication. This was not there previously, but now it is there, that we need to just open our C3P and make the payment. We'll just log in our C3P. It is taking a little bit of time, friends, but I'm showing you step by step. Okay, so kindly be with me and stay connected. Watch the video till end. Yes, you see, now we'll just confirm that we are making the payment. Payment approved. You can now return to the merchant. We'll just do OK here, and then we'll come back to the payment page. It will vary. You see, 3D secure, 3DS helps prevent fraud when using payment cards online. So this is a good function. So payment has been captured successfully. Issuance of criminal clearance certificate. Okay, and the receipt number is here. I will just click on done, and I have successfully applied for the criminal clearance certificate, which I will be needing in order to apply for my influencer certificate, or you can call it as advertiser permit, or you can say content creator certificate. This is very important. If you don't have PCC, you are not able to apply for content creator certificate, okay, or license. So we'll just wait until we get any reply from MOI. Okay, here is the payment and application that I have done. It is showing that it has been successfully completed, and we just need to wait until we receive our police clearance certificate. So friend, this is how we applied for police clearance certificate, which we will be needing in order to apply for our influencer certificate or influencer license. Basically, we call it as advertiser permit. If you have any doubt, do write in the comment section. I will try my best to help you regarding this. And MOI application, you just need to log in with your UAE pass. If you haven't created your UAE pass, you can just visit the link that you'll get in the I button, and there also I have shown you step by step how to create your own UAE pass. And UAE pass is very good. You can just log in any official application using UAE pass. So I will just wait until I get any reply from MOI in respect to the application that I have just submitted for the PCC police clearance certificate or criminal clearance certificate. Okay, you can see I have just applied here. Okay, this is the application that I have entered, and I hope we'll get a response very soon. If you have any doubt, you just write in the comment section. I will try my best to reply that. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.